last time together, man. It's the last time you guys accomplished so freaking much. You know that. Now, one thing, do this for sure, because this is a big part of what you're doing today. Make sure that everything you do is unconscious competence. You know what I'm saying? You get in the blocks to run the 40, don't get in there thinking about your technique. Get in there, go unconscious, and freaking go, right? It's better to be unconscious and be full speed than to be thinking about some technique and be slow. So get in there and bust. It's a freaking bunch start, right? Blow that thing out of the freaking water. You know how to run it. You've been running 20 shuttles for 4 years now. You've been doing this stuff for 4 years. Go unconscious. The second thing, all right, like it's in your DNA. Finish, finish, finish. Everything, finish. Great effort, okay? Body demeanor, all right, et cetera, et cetera. All those things you learned throughout the thing, those things are on display right now. It's part of it's part of who you are right now. You know that. So let's make sure that that's on display. You know what I'm talking about? And then let's make sure we root for each other. You know what I mean? That's how we got here. We got here as one. We're all going to push each other and go from there, all right? Yeah. True. All right. Take a count on me.
Come on. Time, y'all.
Count on me on 2. 1, 2. Count on me.